Hi everyone! In this video, we will start Chapter 11, English Conversation for Home Cooking, from my textbook Speaking English with Confidence. In this video, we will do pages 1101 and 1103. Are you ready to begin? Let's start! 1101. Change the language in Japanese to English. 昨日の夜、何を料理したと思いますか？Guess what I cooked last night? どんな材料を使ったのですか？ What ingredients did you use? 肉じゃがはどうやって作ったのですか？ How did you make the 肉じゃが？最初に野菜の皮を剥いて切りました。First, I peeled and cut the vegetables. それからフライパンで豚肉を調理しました。Then, I cooked the pork in a fry pan. 1103. Jack is telling Melissa about a dish he cooked recently. Listen and complete the conversation. Guess what I cooked last night? What? Niku jaga. Wow, that's great. What ingredients did you use? Potatoes, onions, carrots, pork, and shiro dashi. Sounds delicious. It was. How about you? Please tell me in the comments what you cooked and what ingredients you used recently. Hope you all have a great day. Bye.